Snapchat has rolled out a new option where you could delete send messages, but you gotta act quickly because if you send a message and the person reads it, then it's too late to unsend that message. But let me show you how to take back messages that you've sent before someone reads it. So I'll just go to a message with someone and I'll go ahead and type out a message and I'm gonna press send. Now before they read this, I could go ahead and select that message by just putting my finger over it, and then I could press this new option, delete, and it will be deleted. I'm gonna get this box again, I'm gonna press OK, and then I'm gonna press delete here. And if I delete it, it shows the person that I deleted a chat, but they could no longer see the chat. Now, if they've already read the message and you delete it, that doesn't really do you any good. But if you get to it in time and you delete the message before they see it, the message will be gone. You could do the same thing with things like Bitmoji. So if I send a Bitmoji here, I could go ahead and select it and then press delete, and then it will delete it from the chat. Again, it tells the person that you've deleted that Bitmoji, but they won't be able to see it if you delete it in time. Now, at the time of this recording, you can't do this with video or with photos, but you could do it with text and Bitmoji. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. I post easy to follow social media and tech videos 5 times a week, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.